Hello, hello. Hopefully everyone's having a good week. I've got another unboxing for you today. This one is Thetis brand shoes. And they were kind enough to send me something to show you today. So let's take a look. So this is a suede pair of Chelsea boots. And we are going to take a look at these. So really nice shape to them. So a little bit sleeker than some others that I've seen. Nice that they come with the shoe bags. I'll take a look at those together here. So yeah, it really is kind of a sleeker last shape, which is nice. This particular set is Blake stitched, so it is a resolable. They've got a rubber sole, Blake stitched. Something that's kind of neat about this brand, they pointed out to me, they've got kind of an eco-friendly theme about them. So what they will do is they will each month come up with a design and kind of drop that design for a limited time. And what this does is it prevents them from making too many shoes and having things sitting on the shelves unsold. So they do limited numbers, limited quantity to make sure they sell out of all of their stock. They do also offer an MTO, so made-to-order program, where you can fully customize. They've got patina pairs, as well as, picking suede. You could do Goodyear welted versus Blake stitch. Premium leather soles instead of the rubber sole. So lots of different options. They did mention that they've got a custom insole, so they add an extra layer of padding on the insole. And so I have not tried these on yet, but I'll be wearing them today, so we will check them out. But they look really nice out of the box. The suede looks nice, and I really like the shape of them. So a really sleek shape. They do use, they say, premium leather from the top tanneries. Like I said, they offer Goodyear welted as well as Blake stitch, suede, calf, as well as custom patina pairs. So the some of the suede pairs I saw, they would maybe have a discount, and they would run around $200. Customizable to around $300, but then the patina pairs, the hand painted, those are more like $350. But still feel like they are worth checking out. I will have these on my feet soon, and I'll have some photos posted up. But so far, really look and feel nice. It's nice feeling suede. And again, that last shape is really sleek. I'm going to put them on right now, in fact. So Thetis shoes, thank you so much for letting me check these out, and I'll have some photos up soon.